Gusto mo bang kumita ng pera online? Then my friend, this is for you. Hello lovies, this is Honey and welcome back with another vlog. So before we jumped into the main topic of this vlog, I just want to say po na I really can't believe that we are already in our vlog number 11. Yes, well, I remembered I just started a few weeks ago. That was on March. I don't know which date specifically, but I know it was on March. And back then I only have 3 subscribers: my boyfriend, my best friend, and the other one was my student. And fast forward to now, we're almost 680 subscribers! Wow! Natutuwa lang po talaga ako. Just like what I've mentioned in my previous vlog, right here. Or right here. Basta nandyan lang po siya sa screen. I will also place the link in the description below. So just make sure to check it out right after this video. So I've mentioned there na I was really happy for reaching 500 subscribers, and then right now we're celebrating 600 subscribers. So thank you po talaga, na appreciate ko po kayong lahat. Just like what one of my favorite YouTubers here in the Philippines said, it's V Cortez, Team Payaman. Yes, she said na appreciate po the little things. Kahit gaano po yan kaliit, basta achievement yan, i-appreciate niyo po yan. So yan po ang pinapractice ko everyday po talaga. And thank you po sa inyong lahat na nagsasubscribe at totoong nanonood sa mga content ko. I really appreciate you all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. At sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe dyan, please to support me and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right here para ma-notify ko kayo whenever I post new vlogs in the future. So thank you guys, thank you so much. So for today's video guys, this is really useful nowadays. I could even see in my homepage na ang daming lumalabas na ganitong videos kasi nga naka-enhanced community quarantine tayo ngayon, or ECQ, wherein ang pwedeng lumabas lang ay yung mga frontliners such as doctors, nurses, guards, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa food industry at iba pa. But marami pa din tayong nakikita ng mga lumalabas kahit hindi frontliners, kaya up until now hindi pa rin lumiliit yung number ng COVID cases dito sa bansa. So I just really hope na tayong lahat i-abide natin tong rule na ito, kasi hindi naman po pwede na forever na tayong dito lang sa bahay, naka-quarantine, kasi kailangan nating kumita, kailangan nating maghanap ng trabaho for our families, para sa mga pangarap natin na gusto nating maabot. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to make this vlog, because I really wanted to help my fellow moms out there, or daddies, teenagers, graduate man o hindi. Matutulungan ko po kayo dito sa video na to kung paano kumita online. Yes po, totoo po ang narinig nyo. This is legit guys, kasi personal experience ko po ito. Personal ko po itong nadanasan at kumita po talaga ako dito ng cold hard cash. At by cold hard cash, I mean dollars po talaga ito. Meron po siyang US dollar, meron din siyang Canadian dollar, meron din siyang Australian dollar, meron din siyang euro, at iba pang currency. So marami po doon. And as I've mentioned po kanina, hindi na po kailangan kung graduate ka man o hindi. Although, meron din pong benefits at meron din pong edge mo na din yun if nakagraduate ka. But if maghahanap ka lang dito sa website na ito, meron din pong mga employers or clients na hindi naman sila masyadong nagfo-focus sa educational background of baby ko. Yeah, meron din naman ibang employers dito sa website na ito na hindi masyadong nagfo-focus sa educational background mo, for as long as meron kang skill. Like for example, marunong kang magsulat, marunong kang mag-graphic design, marunong kang mag-design ng website, and so many others. So, for as long as meron ka lang skill, pwedeng pwede ka talagang kumita dito ng dollars, guys. Okay? Totoo po yung sinasabi ko. And I will give you my proofs later on. So, make sure na papanoorin nyo po ang video na to up until the end para wala po kayong ma-miss na importanteng details on how you can make or earn money online. So, ano po ba ang website na ito? Ito ay onlinejobs.ph. So, nandito po siya. Ayan po, i-check nyo lang po sa screen yung correct link niya po. It's onlinejobs.ph po. So, I will also place the link in the description below. So, if you're interested po in looking for an online job through this website, you can check it out after this video po. And I can guarantee you na you can really earn money through this website for as long as porsigido ka lang, or kung wala ka pa mang skill ngayon, madali kang matuto ng skill, then it's really for you guys. You can really earn money through this website. So, I will also teach you on how you can look for this website, how you can look for a job and apply for a job. So, just make sure to stay until the end of the video para po malaman niyo kung paano yan. So, ano nga ba ang kakailanganin mo dito? 3 bagay lang, guys. First is laptop, computer, or mobile phone. Second is fast internet connection. In-emphasize ko po doon yung fast kasi yung trabaho mo dito is online or home-based, meaning nakarely yung work mo online. So, kailangan mo talaga ng reliable and fast internet connection. But there are some jobs naman na ino-offer sa website na ito na hindi kailangan ng like 25 Mbps or 10 Mbps na speed ng internet connection. Like, magsusulat ka lang. So, okay lang yun yung mga 3 Mbps. But mostly talaga, kailangan ng fast internet connection. Kasi nga, makikipag-usap ka pa sa clients mo na nakabase sa US o sang parte ng mundo. And the last thing na kakailanganin mo is yung electronic resume mo. Kasi kailangan mong i-upload yung resume mo dito sa website na ito dahil dito malalaman ng employer kung fit ka ba sa position na ina-applyan mo or sa position na ino-offer nila. Kasi sa resume, makikita natin doon yung previous work experiences mo, yung skills mo, at saka yung character reference na pwede nilang kontakin whenever they want to assess if bagay ka ba talaga sa position or maganda ba yung work background mo. So, ganun lang siya. Yun yung kakailanganin natin. Laptop, computer, mobile phone, internet connection, fast internet connection, and electronic resume. And one good thing about onlinejobs.ph is that this marketplace will not get a commission or a percentage on your salary. So, for example, every week yung payout mo. So, hindi kukunan ni onlinejobs.ph yung sweldo mo ng 30%, 10%, 5% dahil direkta po itong isi-send ng employer mo through your PayPal or through other mode of payment. So, mostly dito sa onlinejobs.ph, yung mode of payment niya is through PayPal. Yun din yung na-experience ko. It's my payout or my mode of payment that time was through PayPal. So, meron din namang iba na direkta sa bank nila, but yung na-experience ko was through PayPal. So, hindi po kukunan ni onlinejobs.ph yung sweldo nyo po. So, wala po silang kukunin na percentage sa sweldo nyo. So, yan pong isa sa maganda dito sa onlinejobs.ph. At isa pa po dyan, whenever na maka-encounter kayo na hindi masyadong magandang employer, pwede nyo po siyang i-report sa onlinejobs.ph para ma-actionan po agad ni online jobs at saka ma-block yung employer na yan para hindi na siya makapangloko sa iba or wala nang mabiktima na ibang virtual assistants sa employer na yan. So, yun po yung dalawang good things or good side nitong marketplace na ito or nitong onlinejobs.ph. disclaimer lang din po guys, this one is based on my personal experience kasi last year, that was 2019, I was pregnant with my first baby. So, nag-resign po ako sa work ko at that time and ayoko namang wala akong ginagawa sa bahay. So, I decided na mag-online job na muna ako or home-based job. And luckily, I have a friend, my best friend, na online job din siya. Isa siyang virtual assistant. So, nasa bahay na lang din siya nag-work. At siya yung nag-recommend sa akin ng website na ito. And I'm so happy din naman na doon ko nakita yung first home-based job ko at kumita talaga ako ng pera dito every week. So, masasabi ko po talaga na legit po ito, ang onlinejobs.ph. So, that is it guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you po sa panunood ng vlog ko for today. Sana po nakatulong po ito sa inyo na nanonood nito na gustong kumita online kasi nga nasa bahay lang tayo, wala tayong ginagawa, hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas, hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok sa mga trabaho natin or hindi tayo pwedeng maghanap ng trabaho. So, sana po nakatulong po ito sa inyo para naman meron kayong extra income or meron kayong trabaho sa bahay na pwede kayong kumita ng dollars. Kahit anong currency pa yan, US dollar, Canadian, Australian, Euro, pwede kayong kumita niyan. Basta dedicated na kayong magtrabaho at saka yung focus kayo, may internet, fast internet connection kayo, meron kayong laptop or computer or mobile phone, pwede kayong kumita dito. So sana po nakatulong ito sa inyo and please leave a comment down below kung na-try nyo na po ang onlinejobs.ph at yung experience nyo po dito sa website na ito or sa trabaho nyo through onlinejobs.ph. I-comment nyo po yan down below para din po makapag-usap tayo na legit ba talaga ito para sa inyo or hindi. Kasi based on my personal experience, I can say na legit po talaga ito kasi I was earning at nakita nyo din naman po sa mga pinakita kong proofs na kumikita din po talaga ako weekly po dito sa trabaho na nakita ko through onlinejobs.ph. So again, thank you so much po sa 600 subscribers ko. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Please stay at home. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified in our next uploads. And also, if you want to watch my other tutorials, you can watch it in my YouTube channel. I will place the link in the description down below so that you can check it out after this video. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye-bye!